Ko ai au. I tipu ake au i konei engari, i te taha o tōku māma, ko tā ngoe o te marae, ko marangatu he tau a te hapū, ko ngā tika hungunu te taha o tōku pāpā, ko manutai te marae, ko ngai te kuaha te hapū, ko ngā tirākai pāka. Nui tonu te iwi.
And in your name we praise and claim.
I've written quite a few songs. I started writing when I was about 11, and I thought I was going to be a handy, hardcore gangster rapper. And I took my hand to rapping, and it was quite terrible. Just putting it bluntly, it wasn't my buzz. I just thought everything needed to rhyme. So it was cat in a hat with a bat that had a flat mat, whatever. It wasn't quite doing it for me. I've got heaps of inspiration. Everybody, you ask any artist, the inspiration's everywhere. What we struggle with is the time. If I was to ask myself where my passion for music came from, I'd look to my people, my environment.
If I was a dreaming man, a daydream believing man.
My compositions tend to come from an experience I'm going through, and that's sort of like sounds pretty deep, but sometimes the experiences I'm just hōha and I need to write something fun. I'm a teacher, so sometimes I'm frustrated with my students and bro, just do this. Out of that frustration, out of that experience comes something tangible that you can actually hold for a while.
Hey, well, believing man, yeah. The time is right. You're holding me tight, and love's got me high.
5 minutes of fame is a crazy ride. And what it's given me after all of that craziness, first and foremost, is perspective. I feel like I didn't compete in our thing, but I always just tried to put a good performance together.
I need to have you next to me.
It was really cool having that platform to share my music. People believed in me.
Sits in the back and resonates a little bit more.
Me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All goodie?
Yeah.
Everything was dope.
Thank you. Cool.
Yeah.
Every word of encouragement, every smile, every thumbs up, I remember and I cherish. Koe rā ngā rau ki runga ki taku boots ki wharanui ei.
Ko taku rite, ko te tora, korere, katapa.
Last but not least, just to the contestants themselves. We all elevate each other and we all give from our truest part of who we are, and felt like we did that. And regardless of what the judges said, those are two opinions. I believe like we should all make some music together and do things together.
Ko te toa whakaihuwaka o 5 minutes of fame rua mano, rua te kaumātahi. Ko Pereri King.
To be honest with you, whānau, I didn't really even know that it was a competition until I got here and read the pack. I'm one of those fellas who doesn't read his stuff, and then I had a look and so thank you, 5 minutes of fame. Thank you, Māori TV. Thank you, whānau, all the contestants, because you've shifted me so much in a deep way. So, I appreciate that. Nui te aroa, nui te manaaki, kia ora tātou.